At the moment we've got Sensei set up so that no login is required to view course materials, so we can click and get straight to our video lessons. Now let's look at emember's content protection of whole courses and lessons. There are two ways of setting this. I'll show both. Go to WP emember, membership level, and then click on the Manage Content Protection tab. All the lessons are custom posts, so click on Custom Posts to see them. To protect all the content of a course, select General Protection at the top first. And this will prevent access to the custom posts selected. All the custom posts are lessons, so select them all at the top. And click Set Protection. Now if you go back to the other browser and refresh the page, access will be denied, and you'll be prompted to log in or join the site to view the content. Now we need to grant access to members of the monthly subscription level and the level for this course. To do this, choose Build Your Own e-learning platform from the pull-down list, select all the custom posts again, and click Grant Access. And then do the same for the monthly subscription level, and grant access again. At the moment we haven't sorted out our emember login, so let's quickly check that this works by manually adding a couple of emember users and assigning them to the monthly subscription level and the course level, just for testing. Go to WP emember, Members, add Edit Member, and make up a username and password. I'm going to use Steve for both, and assign this user to the Build Your Own e-learning site level. Add another member, I'm going to call her Jane, and assign her to the monthly subscription level. Now back at the test browser, click on Member Login and log in first as Steve using the username and password that you made up. The first thing we see is a little summary profile which shows when Steve's account will expire in a year's time. And Steve can now access the course. Now we'll try Jane's profile. Click on Member Login and then log out, and then log in again as Jane. We can see that Jane is correctly given the monthly subscription and that the account expires in a month's time, so that's correct. And click on Courses again. And Jane can also access the course. That's the first way to apply content protection at a global level, by protecting several or all lessons at the same time. But we could also do it one lesson at a time. Go to the editor for one of the lessons, click Screen Options at the top, and make sure that emember Protection Options is selected. Then at the bottom of the screen you can choose for that individual lesson whether or not you want to protect it, which is the equivalent of setting General Protection, and what membership level or levels can access it, the equivalent of Grant Access. That's the basics of emember content protection at course and whole lesson level. You set General Protection first, protecting all the custom posts you want to restrict access to, and then selectively grant access to members of particular levels. I'm not actually going to use this method on my course because I want to hide the videos but keep the lesson text visible to all visitors. To do this, we need to use partial content protection, which is what we'll look at in the next lesson.